Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the most intrusive voice feature, VoiceOver. On the watch, press the digital crown and open settings. Once there, scroll to Accessibility and select VoiceOver. Tap the switch to turn VoiceOver off. This immediately stops spoken navigation and gestures. If you prefer a shortcut, make sure the accessibility shortcut is configured on your iPhone, then triple press the side button to toggle VoiceOver. Once done, test taps and swipes to confirm the watch no longer speaks. Next, stop Siri from speaking responses aloud. Open Settings on the watch or the watch app on your iPhone, go to Siri. Disable Listen for Hey Siri and raise to speak if you want fewer voice activations. Then change Siri response settings to silent or control voice feedback so Siri only shows text unless you request audio. This reduces unexpected spoken replies from apps and notifications. Make sure to test by asking Siri a simple question and confirming it responds silently. Finally, stop spoken notifications and lingering voices. Open the Watch app on iPhone, tap Notifications, and disable Announce notifications for apps that speak. On the watch, go to Settings, right arrow Sounds and Haptics, and lower the volume or use cover to mute. Make sure spoken alerts are off. If any speech persists, restart the watch to clear stuck processes and verify the paired iPhone doesn't have speak notifications enabled. Troubleshooting tip: if voice keeps returning, check accessibility on both devices for voice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.